god, Sharon, you freaking scared me. And right now I'm so scared. Hey there, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Sharon. Thank you for deciding to spend the next couple of minutes watching this video. Now today's video is a mini micro nano vlog of a time that my sister and I went canoeing. We moved to a new place and there is a dam a couple of meters away from our house. And us being us decided, you know what, let's get into that water and see what it's all about. So we grabbed our little 2-man canoe and jumped into the water. Needless to say, we nearly crashed. We had a Titanic moment, but we're here, so that means we're alive. So I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to watch it till the very end. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.
I was about to.
This tree is almost in the middle of the dam.
Yep.
And we're close by.
The middle of the
Yeah. I was here too. Go all the way around. Oh, okay, there we go. So, yeah, there's a tree again.
Let me take you there.
Sunset canoe ride. I want to touch the sun.
Titanic.
Parents looking over. Titanic, I think was mashanya. Ako tanga sana zema accident.